everyone, today I'll be showing you how I transformed this super old dead wig which is in horrible condition to a brand new wig. To this! First we'll need a hair straightener, a white toothed comb, a scissor, clips, fabric softener and some bobby pins. First we start by sectioning the wig and covering from the end part of the wig. This way it will help you make your progress faster in detangling the. After you are done, it will start looking something like this. Start again by combing the end part of the wig so it's much more easier to go through. Proceed with the upper part of the wig. So after you're done with combing and detangling process, put your wig in a tub filled with water and make sure you soak it properly before you start shampooing. Normally I use baby shampoo to wash my wigs, but I didn't have it at this moment, so I just ended up using a regular shampoo. While you're shampooing, make sure you remove all the makeup residues, hairspray, gel, whatever you use to style your wigs. Also important thing is that when you are applying shampoo to your wig don't rub it, just like press the shampoo, yes, like this. Press the shampoo from the top. So after you're done washing, you'll need a fabric softener. You can use any brand out there. There's plenty of fabric softener brands out there. I just use whatever I had. Put your wig and make sure it's fully soaked inside the product, fabric softener. So it's the next day, you're gonna notice a big difference in the texture. Start by washing your wig again. Leave it to dry. You're going to notice a big difference, and now the wig is ready to be styled. Start by combing the end and moving up further to the top. This is going to take a while, so make sure you pop in some movie while doing this. The reason I suggested going from lower part to the upper part because that way it's easier. After you're done, start doing the same process as we did earlier by sectioning the wig and combing it out again. It will help you proceed with your progress much faster this way, and it will be much more easier to work with. Also, combing takes a lot of time and patience, so make sure you watch some movies while you're. Also, don't forget the top part of the wig. Start by pinning put your index finger and thumb finger in the knots and spread it apart like so in the video. You're going to notice a lot of tangle while working, and it's perfectly normal. You just have to do the same process over and over again until it comes out perfect. And now we are ready to start our straightening process. Start by sectioning the wig using clips and use a straightener to straighten it. You're still going to notice lots of knots in your wig while you're working with it. So using the similar method I did earlier in the video, do it while you notice another knot. You also can put your finger inside the knot and slowly pull it, and you just watch the video. So the base is done. You can style it later. How take your straightener and go over it again to make sure it's perfect. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.